Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rochelle's Plans. It is that time again where it's time to look at stickers for the month of May. So y'all, I started this, I want to say a couple months ago, where I would share with y'all what sticker kits or stickers I was going to be using for the next month, for the upcoming month. And I want to do this video again. I think it's kind of helpful. I think you guys like it. And just like to see what sticker kits I will be using, what shops I shop with, so on and so forth. So I do use an hourly planner. I use a dashboard planner, a classic Happy Planner dashboard. I use a classic vertical, and I use A5 Daily Duo, and I'm missing something else. And I use a classic horizontal. So, but for these videos, I'm only going to be showing y'all sticker kits that I will be using in my hourly planner, and then if I have the sticker book or if I have the stickers, I'll show y'all the stickers that I plan on using in my classic Happy Planner. So let's go ahead and start with the Happy Planner first. So for May week 1, it's going to be Mother's Day week. And so I'm using these stickers from According to Allie, her Flowers for Mom stickers that she released in her last release. And I love these colors. This, like, I don't know, not so dark of an eggplant color mixed with this like mauvey pink color and this seafoam green. I love these colors paired together. I love how they look. And so I'm going to be using these for the week of Mother's Day, which will be my next plan with me that'll come out on Sunday. And then I also have, where are they? I have these quotes here that she released, the mom quotes, that I think I'll use with this sticker kit as well. All right. Then, so for the next week in May, I'm going to do a prom inspired spread. I have no stickers or sticker kits for this theme, so I'm just gonna have to look it up and see what I can find on that, and then that may change. Hopefully it won't, but we'll just see. And then the third week, which is May the 16th to the 22nd, for my Happy Planner, I'm going to do a graduation spread. Now, if I can find a kit on Etsy, I will do that, but if not, then I'll have to find something on the internet and then just use those stickers and go from there. And then the last week in May, which is May the 23rd through the 29th, I'm going to do a Mayflower spread. And so far I have these flowers picked here, the Spring Blooms by According to Allie. I think these are so pretty. Now these did not release with her most recent release. I think it was one before that. So I like these colors here. This kind of like a peachy pink color with this like marigold and this turquoise. And I don't know if this is black. I think that may be black. But y'all, I love how this looks. I really do. With the flower here outlining this black, I love it. I love this. So for right now, I have two sticker sheets for my Happy Plan that I'm going to use, or if you want to say 3, this mom quotes here. Okay, so now for my next stickers, I am using for my 7x9, and let's see here. I have stickers from one of my newest shops that I have fallen in love with, and it is Sarah Marie. So this is kit 91, and it's her Happy Mother's Day kit. And let me just show y'all. So here is like the sampler page that you get. So you've got the washi, 2 strips of washi here, you know, your Mother's Day full box. I tend to use this box up in, I cover up the month that's on the page for that week. Then you got some flag stickers, you know, just her basic regular weekly kit. Okay, I love the colors that she put together. This like coral, peach, and this mint green. I love this. And so if you follow her, if you know anything about her style, when she releases stickers, she kind of tend to go with the colored tabs on the Erin Condren planners, okay, on the life planners. So then you get the washi, or then I have the washi strips sheet, and all of these are so pretty. Then the next sheet here is for my daily duo. This sheet here is also for the daily duo. And so is this sheet here. Now, will I use all of that? I don't know. I'm not sure, but I just ordered them. And then here are my add-ons. So I've got the date covers. I have the thick washi. And then we've got the clip art, appointment labels, plain boxes, pattern boxes. I think y'all ordered everything. You've got some more functional stickers. Then you've got the script stickers, the sidebar sheet, and then the deco. Okay, so that is for Mother's Day, so week 1. And then for week 2, I'm going to use another Sarah Marie kit, and it is kit number 92. These were her May releases. And I think this is called Honeybee, I think. So here is I'm going to call this the sampler, and I'm going to call this the weekly kit, okay? So you've got the honeycombs. These colors are like this mint green paired with this gold or yellow. And then you've got like they're not necessarily pink, but it's like a really light peach color here. So love that. And then I have the washi strip sheet here, and I love all of these washi. Okay, so now for the add-ons, I have the date headers. Then I've got the icons. We've got some more functional stickers. We've got some plain labels. The script stickers, I don't know how well this is carrying over through the camera, but the colors are the colors that are in the stickers. So this is mint green, this yellow, and then the peach color there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Then I have the event labels, or the hourly labels, and then the sidebar sheet here. And look how cute this tiered tray is, y'all. That is so pretty. Okay, so then that's for week 2. Now, week 3, I have a planner cake kit. Yeah, I'm still waiting on my order from Chrissy Ann Designs, and her orders tend to take a while. So at least about 3 to 4 weeks. And so, I don't know, I had a Mother's Day kit in there, but I grabbed other sticker kits. So I have a Mother's Day kit in that order, but it's not gonna make it here in time for Mother's Day. So that's why I went with the Sarah Marie stickers Mother's Day kit. but I could always use that kit for next year, the Chrissy Ann Designs kit. So here is kit 413. Then you have the weekly sampler. I love this, like this bold yellow, this bright yellow, paired with the pink and then the navy blue. So love that. This is the weekly sampler. I got the full boxes. Then for the add-ons, I got the day and date covers, the sidebar sheet, the scripts stickers, and I love her script stickers because she has the icons out beside them. Now the script is a little bit small, but I can still make it work. We have the icons page, some appointment labels, some plain labels. I got 2 of those. I don't know why. I think that was a mistake. We've got some pattern boxes. We have the date headers, the thick washi, and then the thin washi strips. So that is for week 4. And then for week 4, I have another planner cake kit. And I want to say, I don't know what the name of this is. I got this kit sometime last year, but it has the dream catcher. So here we have kit 342, and this is the weekly sampler page. Now this is an older kit, so her newer kits have been reformatted. So let me just show y'all the difference. So you can see here how, you still get the 2 washi strips, okay? You still get the sticker here, but this sticker looks a little bit bigger than this sticker here. So I use this up in the left-hand corner of my page, my planner page, to cover up the month. Look at the weekend sticker. So this is more like a fat weekend sticker. You don't get the asterisks or the bullet points, but you now get icons, okay? So here you got like script stickers, where over here it's a different font. You still get the half-hour appointment labels. You've got some quarter boxes here, but then you get these over here. They're different, okay? You still get some half boxes, same over here. So this is the difference in the 2 kits. Just wanted to point that out. When you do get an older sticker kit, just know that the format will be a little bit different. Okay, so the sampler sheet. Then we've got the full boxes. And I love this. I like this, the florals and the colors in this kit. I've got the washi strips sheet here. And then here are the add-ons. So I have here the sidebar sheet, the ombre boxes. I don't even know what this is. Are these like scripts? I don't know. This is the script sheet. And then, I don't know, payday, work from home, bill due, day off. I think these like mostly would go in the monthly. Date and day covers. I got some scallop labels, plain labels, pattern labels, date covers for the vertical. I didn't mention that, but all of my date covers would more than likely be the vertical date covers, because I can individually put those down and then they can work in any planner versus having the strip. Okay, so We got the hourly checklists, and then some more functional boxes. And then the thick washi strip here. Okay, that is all of my kits that I will be using in my Erin Condren hourly planner for the month of May. So y'all, this is it for this video. So I hope you all enjoyed getting to see a little bit of, you know, the stickers that I'm going to use to plan in my classic happy planner and my hourly planner. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Plan with Rochelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.